Hi, Leona from Hopkins Tiny Garden is here, and today I am going to harvest the sweet potatoes in this bucket. Last night I was testing the moisture in the soil, and when I reached down I felt a sweet potato, and of course it was like Christmas morning and there was no way I was gonna leave it without pulling it up just to see what it was gonna do. These have been in there for 91 days. And according to my notes on the little packet that came with the slips, it says 90 to 120 days. So because they're starting to yellow, I don't know if this is from bugs or what, but I think it's just now seeing this, I think it's perfect time to pull it so we can see what it looks like. So hold on one second and let me pull this out, and I'm gonna put it out where I can dump it out and show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to dump it out. I just cut the stems at the base of the plant, and I'm going to cut it out. I did try to prop up my camera right there against that cup, but this dude right here was making it a little difficult. So this is going to be challenging. So hold on one second. All right, so let's try this again. So I'm just gonna dump it. Move, buddy. Okay. Wow. Nice root system. Hold on one second. Let me try to prop this bucket up over here and put you right here so you can see. Okay, so the prop thing's not working. So let's just see. I have no idea. I mean, that could have really been the only sweet potato that was in there. Who knows? That would be a bummer, though. All of that time and just... Oh, wait. Here's something. That could have been the root. Oh, nope. It's not looking too good. Move, bud. Ooh, the soil's actually cold right here. That's interesting. Well, this is definitely not looking good at all. Really not at all. I'm not seeing any. I'm not feeling any. What? Really? Come on. Oh, we saw a bug. All right, y'all, seriously, this is not looking good at all. That was an 18-gallon bucket. Nope. And seriously, that was the only sweet potato in it. No, sorry, stop it. So that is really a bummer. Stop it, please. Yep. That's not good. Well, it was an interesting experience with that. Now we still have those 2 buckets in there, so I'm gonna let them go. Not that it would make a difference. I can't imagine getting anything else. I mean, there's no other seed. Like, I don't know what can be, you know, what can produce from this. This does not look like anything really. I mean, obviously this was the root system for the one that I just pulled last night, but I can't imagine 30 more days anything more producing from this. That's granted if this is the same type of system that's happening in those 2 also, which is interesting. One other thing I noticed, people were commenting on their sweet potato harvest videos that theirs flowered. Mine did not. I don't know if it was the type of potato, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, nope, there's really nothing else in here for sure, which is a bummer. That just bums me out. But he's enjoying the mud. And that looks like the only thing that came out of that tote right there. This was the only thing that came out of it. So that is a bummer. Okay, well, I'll wait another 30 more days, or until those plants, you know, the leaves look like they're almost dead, but I'm not going to touch them for a little while, so we'll see what that happens with that. And okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.